Good day, everyone. Jeff here with MarineMax, Lake of the Ozarks, and today I've got the pleasure of taking you through a brand new 2024 Harris Grand Mariner 250. Boat measures about 27 foot overall length, and as you can see with the Grand Mariner package, you get the fiberglass front end. Beautiful boat. Love the color combination here at the lake. If you haven't ridden on a Harris Tri-Tune, you gotta come check this one out. Stepping aboard here, nice plush couches, storage encased all the way underneath each and every cushion. Come to the helm, got the dual captain's chairs here, phone charging station. Step to the helm, you got dual 8-inch Simrad screens. This one does come with the joystick, so you can literally walk the boat straight sideways at an angle, or go ahead and spin it on a 360-degree axis. Now I've got this massive lounger laid down right now. It does turn into an aft-facing lounger and also folds forward to face the bow of the boat. It is powered by a Mercury 400. Once again, we're aboard a 2024 Harris Grand Mariner 250. My name is Jeff, MarineMax, Lake of the Ozarks. Find us at MarineMax.com or stop by and see us. Schedule a showing today at 573-606-3035.